Hey everyone. Hey, it's Don again. Uh, are you living from paycheck to paycheck and getting a little stressed out? It's not a fun place to be, and we've all been there at one time or another. You can change all that by going into digital marketing. It's one of the hottest and fastest growing industries online right now. Uh, you have four streams of income that's available to you. You own your own business. There's no monthly overhead. Our most popular uh, program is the Legacy Builder, which gives you all four streams, plus a $29 charge for a website, which is completely put together for you. So you could buy today and be in business tomorrow. It's a step by step program. Um, you follow the blueprint and you definitely will succeed. Uh, if you could check it out, you'll have to cut and paste my website, but check it out. Um, and while you're there, you can get a free copy of 10K in 30 days. And you can make a decision at that time whether it's something that you think you should move forward with or not. But I think what you'll see, you will definitely like. Y'all take care now, and I'll talk to you soon.